If you just purchased Microsoft 365 Business, logged into this admin center for the first time, and everything looks confusing, do not panic, I will guide you through. So let's go. To access the Microsoft 365 admin center, open the browser and type admin.microsoft.com. Okay, sign in using the administrator account. Once you sign in successfully, you will arrive at the Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. Okay, now this is the dashboard. The home page gives you a quick overview of your Microsoft 365 environment. One thing you should know that this home page might differ based on your subscription type, your enabled services, account age, simplified view or full view, tenant configuration, and Microsoft UI update. So this is what I have here. If it's different from your own, just know that some of these things I mentioned might be the case. So but using mine, you have the welcome page and you have some information concerning your account. You have these icons at the extreme right. This is notification. This is a cloud shell. And at the extreme, at the left panel, you have the home page, the co-pilot, the agent, the users, the teams and groups, the billing, have the setup. When you click show all, you also have support, settings, setup, report, and you have the Microsoft preview and all these things. You have the team. So still on the page, on the home page, you have the users tab, you have the teams, you have the product tab, you have the upcoming changes where Microsoft releases changes, when there's changes in future, other changes, and you have the learn, and you also have the setup. So I'm going to do videos on setup, where you set up. I also do videos on users, how to add users on the admin center. So on the search, the admin can quickly search users or settings or features or services under this search. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.